you said, Jack, coming off a little bit, but Google's making up for it. Google's up almost 0.5%. We were down 0.5% at those lows, so um, things starting to calm down more, and I think that will give us more room to the upside, more room. Amazon's continue to find buyers.
We had Google up, what, 9% earlier this week, or was that last week?
That was last week. Google was
that
up like
last week?
9% on news. Yeah.
Oracle's
Yep.
up 38% today. What?
I know. What are we? Yeah.
What is that?
40
These aren't
now.
like
40?
small cap stock.
Yeah.
Larry Ellison. My goodness.
You know what's unbelievable? Like I'm trying to
What's
read
that?
more report.
Yeah.
It's the cloud growth, but like the overall, I can't believe this. The top line, they missed their estimate on both earnings and
I love it. I love it.
and
I love it.
revenue.
Did they just say AI a lot in their call?
No, it's more than that. They, I don't know that like the market's the market. That's just kind of a funny. If there's ever like a trivia question, you know, the biggest, you know, when Ellison became like the richest man ever, what happened? Oh, they missed earnings, top line.
Missed earnings, top line.
It has to do with their cloud growth and guidance. I'll have to look into it more. I have not had a chance to.
Absolutely.
Yeah, their cloud growth guidance was just like I think it was like 10x what they expected or something. It was crazy.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Yeah. Better meet that now.
New session highs, yes.
Yeah, 65, 62.
Broad
Last
shoulders.
trade. Broad shoulders. 3 points or so from all-time highs. Can we get to all-time highs? Looks like we're closing in on it. Those all-time highs it was a spike off that PPI number. Amazing. NASDAQ is still 3,800 or 3,400 there, Hogue, in the NASDAQ. Being very.
Yeah, 3,400 negative still.
Damn.
We're still pushing higher.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's got to
go.
All right.
Once they puke, if they puke, we get this delta back to 0. Neutral. We'll definitely see the NASDAQ higher. Gold grind higher here. Come on, ES. Tilt 71% long in the NASDAQ.
Yeah, we need to get through these 70s on the NASDAQ if we want to make a run at 24,000s. These 70s acting as a strong resistance. 970s, yeah.
Yes.
Come on already.
I know, Hogue. It's like, come on, just pop this thing. I feel what you feel there, Hogue. Just pop this damn thing.
I have all
battle
day.
zone right here.
It is. It is.
Yeah. So Oracle had a 359% increase in contracted revenue. So yes, all guidance.
There you go.
It's kind of. I got to see what the nominal value of that.
Shout out to the salespeople over there.
Yeah.
Nice quarter. Man. Yes. ES is going to have to make another shot at it. Back to 65. 56. Get up to those 62s. This might just be a little bit of a pullback if they want to give it a college try. As Michael Vitak likes to say.
Yeah.
NASDAQ, pretty stubborn.
Just hanging out in these 50s to 70s. This nice range right here.
Crude number, bottom of the hour, 10 minutes. This thing. All right, Jack. Well, if you got any nuggets and tidbits, let's do it here before that crude number comes in. And go from there. We do have President Trump with the intelligence briefing.
Yeah.
At 10:30 a.m. Central. So if you want to hit it,
all right, let's do it.
Cool. Thank you.
All right. Well, I regret to inform you, we used half my news this morning in the PPI stuff, but I thought this was a good one from yesterday. In other news, the market rallied on every fake jobs number over the past 2 years. Is now rallying on news that the jobs numbers were fake.
incredible. Say that one more time. Can you say it one more time? Just let that settle. Let this sit in.
Yeah, it was just that the market that rallied on every fake jobs number over
Oh.
the past 2 years is rallying on news that the job numbers were fake. Yesterday we had that big revision.
So this is a
Love it.
Yeah,
We're
this is the
one
Buy the dip.
situation, and you're recording. All right. Next up, as I mentioned earlier, I looked at Polymarket this morning, and I swear I took the screenshot a little bit too late, but there was at one point like a 20% chance. I was looking because after the PPI number, the Fed watch wasn't moving that much. I was like, well, what's going on here? But over on Polymarket, got to like 20% chance. That's what we call a spread. There could have been something to do
Yes.
there, Andre, but I was asleep at the switch, getting ready for the TV show.
Been watching
But
that.
there's another Polymarket thing. I
Okay.
think this is probably fake, but this is from Polymarket. Will Scott Bessent throw a punt? It's about time. He signaled out 2 candidates for just a 4% chance. I don't know. This might be worth a flyer. He seems like
Who's
he's
in his
ready
rosters?
to throw it. Elon Musk first. Most
Ooh,
recently, Bill Pulte. I don't think it's if, but when and who. So
must
let
throw
us
some
know in the
hands, huh?
chat who we think Scott Bezzett will punch.
Yeah, can we put that on a poll? Let's put a poll up. Give me some names there. Elon. Who else do we have? Pulte.
Pulte,
Rubio.
Lutnick,
Lutnick. Okay.
Navarro.
Navarro. There
Those
you
would
go.
be
Wow, those are all.
those would be my 4 if I had to.
Those are just
He's gonna
comrades.
join the MMA on the White House lawn.
Who wasn't punch? Who wasn't
I'll just
peasant punch? Elon. Sorry,
yeah,
Elon. Pulte.
Elon, Pulte, Navarro, Lutnick.
Navarro.
Those would be my
Lutnick.
4 most likely candidates. And guys, if there is a news story that comes out that Scott Bezzent did punch someone, and I don't show up on Top Step TV the next day, you know what happened.
You're marked, man. We got Elon Navarro.
Order
Lutnick.
filled.
Sorry, the last one, Jack. Just one more time so we get that pull up.
In order of likelihood to happen, I don't think he sees Elon. I will go Navarro, Pulte, Lutnick, Musk.
Very good.
Okay.
Again, just joking around, but there is a market for it. What was it? 4?
Order filled.
4%, man.
Oh.
I'm gonna be the Larry Oracle.
Did you add again?
It's called him as Tim Appledon. Larry Ellison.
I heard. Yeah. Braden. Long
Oh,
15
were you
now.
talking to Dakota? Yeah, I did add. I'm looking at the 500 tick chart. We continue to put in higher lows. If we could, I feel like we've consolidated and based out enough at this level. We're above VWAP. We have once again a 30-point range to that 24,000 level. I'm looking for. I'm like, this is turning into a breakout trade, so I've sized into it now and tightened the risk.
All right.
And I'm looking for 24,000 here. I want to see a nice 30-point push.
I like it.
15.
Broadcom's running for 10% here. Broadcom is just going.
It's going. Average
Just going
price
straight
there.
up.
Braden
Straight
long
up.
15 MNQ from
964.75.
964.75. Very good.
The chat is right. If I move so that my mic is right here, I do look like I'm dressed like a priest. So
Yeah.
Is up. Only one time, Jack. Moroccan lawyer. Absolutely.
yeah, Moroccan lawyer.
Oh, so good, so good. And then I did the Google image search, and they were spot on. they were absolutely spot on. The poll is up. Just a silly little poll while we wait for this EIA crude inventory number to come out
wow.
on the hour. We do have
Wow.
Braden Long 15 building into a winner, and Dakota is still long. How many? 3.
4 from 914, but I'm going to close
Order
one if we get
filled.
into these mid 80s here.
Okay.
I still really like this. Like I said, Broadcom just keeps running to the long side. We're up almost 10% on Broadcom. Nvidia's running back up above 4%. Yeah, here we go.
Yeah,
Close off another one right there.
if what Oracle has guided comes to fruition, I think there's talk like 30 billion a year from OpenAI starting in
Oh, baby.
2028. If they actually have a $500 billion in backlogged revenue coming that's very good, it would seem, for the companies you just mentioned.
That'll be good for top line.
Yes.
I will say, as far as Oracle itself, it might be a little, even if they have 500 trillion, I mean, it's gained
What's Ellison up now?
300 billion in market cap today. And that's on 500 billion of revenue in the future.
Absolutely incredible. Absolutely
Congrats
incredible.
to the calls. There's going to be some great
Yeah.
posts on Wall Street Bets this afternoon.
And oh man, I call it a year after that one. All right, we're gonna wait for 75% long in the Nasdaq tilt right now.
Wall
Average
Street
price.
Bets is total mayhem.
Jack loves it. Jack absolutely loves it.
Great content.
There was a guy in there, like, he was trending this month, who ran his options account up to like 2 million and then lost it all.
Oh,
Yeah.
And posting it.
that's
Well, yeah,
sad.
it's like what we talk about all the time on Shoulder Tap, is that, yeah, if you keep doubling down anytime and you have a large enough audience, like there's 1 million people on there, somebody's going to hit 30 zero dates in a row, or maybe like 15 or something. But you keep doing it, you're eventually not going to like the results.
Yeah. Oof. That makes me sick to my stomach hearing that.
Yeah. It's a psychological thing. I think some people are so, like, they love it so much that I don't think they'd be satisfied with any number in their account. They're just going to keep trading that way,
Oh, like
Yeah,
Kitty.
like a high score in the video game.
Kitty.
Yeah.
What's Kitty? Hello Kitty. What's Kitty? What's his name?
Roaring Kitty.
Rory Kitty. Yes.
Rory
Kitty.
Just in it for
Rory
the clicks.
Kitty.
In it for the clicks. It's wild.
I didn't even mention United Health yesterday.
They got smoked, didn't they?
No. They got
Oh,
reverse
quite the
smoke.
opposite.
They were up like,
Oh.
yeah, they were up like $30-$40.
Oh shoot.
Mm.
Bad.
Mm.
You're quite in the money.
Got a 20-point range to 24,000 here.
Yeah, let's see if we can get it.
Hey, Bree, what's your upside target on this thing? If any, you're long 15